I'm going to show you guys today how to recreate this eyeshadow look using our Natural Illusion eyeshadow palette in Soft Rose. With my base brush, I'm going to take shade number 3 and I'm going to apply this all over the eyelid and right up high into the contour. Right into the inner corner of the eye and the inner corner of the brow. And take that underneath the eye. So following the bottom lash line, right from the outer corner to the inner corner. So I want to add a little bit of depth to this look now. I'm going to use my blending brush to dust this shade from the outer lash line here of the eye, right up into the contour, into the deepest part of the inner eye socket here, blending it up into the brow. This is really going to widen the eye. I'm going to continue that smokiness underneath the eye along the bottom lash line. This time I'm just going to keep it really tight to the lash and tight to the outer corner of the eye. Just to kind of elongate the eye and give you that cat eye effect. I'm going to use 2 of the highlighting colors. The first one is the number 2, which is the gold color. I'm going to use that really high up on the brow bone just to lift the eye. With the pink, the soft pink, I'm actually going to highlight the inner corners of the eye. Just to really smoke up that lash line, I'm going to use our eye contour pencil in brown. Using the edge of the pencil, just run it along the lip of that bottom eyelid and the lashes. Continue that brown along the top lash line. I'm going to keep it really close to the lash line itself. And once it's done, I'm going to come back in with a little smudge applicator on the end and just smoke that line out. Final step to this is obviously lashes. Push the applicator right to the base of the lash, little wriggling motions, and then come back and take the mascara right to the top.